All right, now we're doing 8Q, return two highest values in list. This is by Resticate, and 88% of the people like it. In this kata, our job is to return the two distinct highest values in a list. If there's less than two unique values, return as many of them as possible. The result should be ordered from highest to lowest. All right, so here's some numbers: 10, 9. There's only one here and nothing there. All right, cool. All right, so with this one, first let's set up shop over here. All right, almost done. All right, so what we're going to be doing is, first let's sort it so that we can guarantee have the two highest in descending order, right? So let's first let's look at what we're going to use to do sort. We're going to use this prototype.sort, array.prototype.sort. And the sort method sorts elements of an array in place and returns the sorted array. And here's how it does it. If you wanted to look at that, it's right there. But I'm going to show you, but I do want to show you the syntax. We're going to use this arrow function syntax right here. So we're going to say r.sort, and we're going to say we're going to say parentheses a comma b, and then arrow function b minus a. And somehow that makes it guaranteed this is the largest number, this is the larger number, and then it sorts it down to the smaller numbers. All right? So now we've got that. So now we have to make sure we have two distinct values, two distinct highest values. It's got to be unique. It's got to be unique. So to do that, the only thing I know how to do to make things unique is by using this set object. And that lets us store unique values of any type, whether primitive values or object references. And to use this set, we're just going to use this new set down here. So let me show you. All right, so wrap it up in a parentheses. And we're going to say over here, new. And then right here, set. All right. But see, we've got a problem. We've got a situation because it puts it in curly braces where we need it in brackets. So to put anything in brackets, the easiest way is to just throw it in brackets, right? Just highlight the whole thing and throw it in brackets, right? Excuse me, not curly braces. Throw it in brackets. So now that's in brackets, but see, now it's doing something stupid like this. So to make sure that happens, to make sure it just gets straight up in brackets, we're going to do the spread syntax right here, which allows an iterable such as an array expression or string to be expanded in place where 0 or more arguments or elements are expected. All right. So basically all we're going to do now, it's an array. That's array-like. And see, now we've got an array, and it's unique, and nothing's like right here, it's not being repeated. So now to fix the rest of this up, we're going to use this slice over here, and the slice method returns a shallow copy of a portion of an array into a new array object selected from start to end. End is not included, where start and end represent the index of items in that array. The original array will not be modified. So here we go. Here's the syntax start end right there. So we're going to say dot slice, and we're going to start it at 0, at index 0, and we're going to end it, index 0, and we're going to end it right here because it does not, where was it? End is not included. So we're going to say 0, 2. Test it out. Ooh, that looks good. That's what I'm talking about. All right. My solutions, just me. I think it's the best practice. Very much like it. Very like. And we'll see you next time.